fierce thunderstorm has been detected along Silver Springs and Stagecoach, Nevada. It's moving towards Virginia City, Dayton, Reno, Carson City, Lake Tahoe, Gardnerville, Douglas County. Be prepared for frequent lightning, flash flooding, small hail, winds up to 50 miles an hour, and loud thunderclaps. Stay under the house if you were to be outside to record this storm. If you don't have a shelter available, seek shelter inside a car or in a restaurant, store, hospital, or if there's no shelter available, if you're out in the middle of nowhere or in the middle of a field, stay away from all objects made out of metal. Crouch down, get on your toes, cover your head, your ears, and close your eyes to protect yourself from the deafening sound of thunder and the blindness sight of lightning. Again, a severe thunderstorm has been detected along Silver Springs and Fernley. It's moving southwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Seek shelter immediately.